Hi Peter, second attempt at recording this video, got the sound on this time. Right, very quickly because I have to nip out, this is your space 1.3 between the doorway and the wall there, 2.2 across the main wall. Yes, your wife is completely right, you have a difficult corner. What I've suggested, because I know from experience it's much easier to reach in and grab longer items into one of these difficult corners than it is to have a waist height rail going all the way into the difficult corner. So I have three 600 wide bays, the last bay being for long hanging, and you have plenty of easy access to longer hanging here. Past this point the access gets a little trickier. It's not impossible, just a little trickier, and you're going to have to, excuse me for coughing, cut down a 450 wide shelf to make up a small 330mm bay. You can cut the shelf and the rail down with a standard hacksaw. I use an electric jigsaw, but a standard hacksaw, not a junior hacksaw, will do the job really easy. Waist height hanging in the other bays, I haven't shown a shelf, it's a complete waste of space. I've seen hundreds and hundreds of Elfa wardrobes fully populated. If you put a shelf in there, you reduce the hanging height and you end up with an unusable shelf. So I just wouldn't do it. What do you plan to use that shelf for? Answer, nothing. I've shown slightly longer verticals here, just in case you want to do anything else lower down, like you could have some shelves in here for example, or even in that bay you could have some shoe storage or a gliding basket. But sort of future-proofing it a bit by having the longer verticals. You could actually, depending on your skirting height, worth knowing that you could make these even longer by going to the 2140 version. I've set that height at 200 from the ceiling, and again all of this is adjustable, so future-proof it by having the longest verticals you can is my advice. Not a lot else to say there. You could, I've shown, no actually in the kit list, these waist height rails, that looks like a double but it's not, it's actually two singles. That's going to give you maximum adjustment. The waist height bracket there, that's a bit of a special component I've shown there. It makes the waist height hanging protrude out ever so slightly further, but it's a nice solid one-piece construction. There are other ways of making the waist height hanging which would fit it exactly in a vertical line with the higher hanging up there. It's a very minor point. So I think this is the ideal layout from my point of view. Having the long hanging on this side is a matter of opinion. You could have all of that over there, but certainly filling this odd gap here is definitely a possibility, and I would encourage you to do it. Right, I have to go out. Speak to you soon.